Hey guys, we're gonna cake today, strawberry cake. Let's go. Make sure you get all that yolk out and stuff, so it will be ready. Now we have this. All the yolk out.
It's good. Harper.
This?
You need to cut them off. Oh, hand me that box. What's on my back? This say I have. Why do you do that?
Here we're going to use a whisk, and then we're going to mix. Make sure you get all that stuff. Don't get too fast.
Get your step stool. Get your step stool.
I need my step stool. 1 second. Sorry that took so long. I'm weird. So we're going to pour. So you guys are going to be careful because that stuff is hot. And if you don't be careful, it's not going to be good. Okay? So we're going to just do this. And then we're going to start mixing. And if we're going to use this icing, just to let you guys know, it's like a one-of-a-kind icing. So, we got to get all that dough and stuff and that egg.
You want to make sure you get to the bottom too.
Why are you helping me? I'm doing a video. They saw your big hand. I love you still. So, did you see that? Make sure you get to it. Sal's just going to help. She's a sweetheart. Comment down below if you love your mom. Like, absolutely love your mom. Moms do everything. My mom here is a one of a kind. So you're gonna make sure it looks like this. It's gonna be like not that doughy. It's like this. I can't do it too much because I don't want to spill it. And they're just gonna keep mixing for like a 1 or like 1 or 2 minutes. bring it around town.
Bring it around town.
That one's good.
Bring it around town.
Around. Right now we are going to pour the cake dough into these 2 pans so cake battering. So we're going to pour them into these 2 pans. Make sure that you have 2 and 2. Look, they're both the same, and yeah. So I'm going to finish mixing this up like a teeny bit more because I don't want. So take that out. Into my assistant. Yeah. I look weird. Okay. So we're not gonna put too much.